it's pain. Oh, it's pain.
Je me préparais à aller tranquillement à l'école. Soudain, j'entends mon nom. Je ne voulais pas regarder, mais la voix continuait d'appeler. C'était une si charmante voix de billets propres, bien rangée dans le portefeuille de papa. Je veux regarder, je ne veux pas regarder. Je veux regarder, je ne veux pas regarder.
That is why you want to impress. Do I really need that? You always take advantage of the weak. With sagging pants, you walk around like a campus baboon.
Was the textbook found in the wallet, or was the wallet found in the textbook? I don't understand what came over him though.
Ne faites pas cette grimace avec moi, ou vous ferez face au comité de discipline. Ne faites pas la grimace aux gens lorsqu'ils ont un problème saillant sous la main. Maintenant, je ne dirai plus rien. Mais ses intentions étaient sales. Depuis combien de temps le fait-il?
We just need to change these things, my brothers. We just need to use beautiful words. Lovely words make us tremble. Read your textbooks and gain the knowledge that you need. I know you don't work, so you can't impress me with money. Money that you got from gifts from your family members, or money that you found searching in wrong places, such as your dad's wallet.
La voix ressemblait à la belle voix de Utor Priscilla au Nigeria.
La voix de qui?
Yours.
And you are dumb enough to listen to a voice calling from a wallet.
Je savais que l'appelant avait besoin de mon aide.
You listen. You wanted to turn, you didn't want to turn, but you finally did. Just when you're about removing a banknote trust in your chemistry textbook, that's when your dad walks in. Please, that wasn't my voice.
Don't drink alcohol. He wouldn't listen. Don't smoke cigarettes because they're addictive and expensive for him to get. He wouldn't listen. My hands are clean.
Cela peut arriver à n'importe qui, hein. Si vous lâchez la tentation, vous allez danser plus tard. Mais si vous la laissez pénétrer, elle fera partie intégrante de vous. Cela m'est arrivé. Un jour, j'ai dû laver toutes les robes sales de la maison parce que j'ai été pris main dans la poche. J'ai dit à maman que je voulais défier Asia en Tanzanie en lavant toutes les robes sales de la maison. Maman a compris, mais elle a juste joué le jeu.
Je viens de te dire d'être gentil avec tes parents, avec ta société. Toi, tu as décidé de le faire à la dure en te punissant. Mais son cas à lui est différent. Il ne pouvait pas s'infliger une punition personnelle parce que peu de notes avaient disparu des poches de son père. Et son père était en fait derrière les rideaux en train de regarder.
But guys, this guy's a genius. He looks for wrong things in wrong places. Stella, your guy is a super boy.
He says he misplaced his book in his father's room. So I was wondering if the dad's bedroom is a kind of family study room or a library. That does not make sense. But actually, I don't blame him that much. I think that if girls could face the reality for what it is, then that would be a beginning to the solution. Guys, please help us help you. Don't pretend to be what you are not. We will still accept you.
At some point, they want to make us dependent to the detriment of their morality. Do you think your dad is a fool? How many people are suspected in the house? Your mom is the first suspect. Can you imagine what she has been through because of you? They want to be proud of you, but you discourage them with your acts. Stop it.
You listen to the voice. Listen to the voices. Some voices are beautiful. Some voices are terrible. Some voices come from far.
And we don't pay attention. Some voices are right underneath their ears. Oh, and that we pay much attention. They take our attention. Do it. Come on. Just do it. After all, it's just once. Nobody's seeing you. Says the closest voice.
You do it once, twice, thrice, and then 4 times, and that becomes your life. Some call it habit. And though you swim in affluence, you still go for the grasshopper to fill the hole that will forever be empty.